And we have this blue raspberry slushy and some straws over there. I don't know how long I started recording. It was a green apple slushy, a sundae, a strawberry sundae and a vanilla sundae, and a chocolate sundae. And then the same exact things, just in a different hole. Oh no! Blue raspberry slushy! Get back here, blue raspberry slushy. You must stay with me. There we go. And here's a better view of it. I guess I could have done it from this side. Oh well. So now. Good job, Daddy.
Thank you.
So, now let's start the show. Back to my business. Let's go right here. Hello, can I please have some ice cream? Of course you can. What would you like? Can I please have a banana split? Anything else? Do you have any drinks? Yes, we have some Slurpees and water. Okay, can I please have a blue raspberry Slurpee? Of course you can. And how much will that be? That would be $3 plus tax. Because the slushy, Slurpee, I mean, it would be like plus tax, so yeah. Okay, how much would that be? That would be $4. $4? That's a lot, but whatever. Okay, this is the $4. Thank you, and here's your change. Thank you. In my glove box. I'll get that banana split right for you. Alright, first you want head, a banana split. So that is going to be in the back, right back here. Wrong here. Back here, I can feel it. Oops. Go back there. Ow, something just hurt me. And that, and the blue raspberry slushy. Okay. How much longer is this gonna take? I'm sorry. I dropped it. What was that? Nothing. And then just okay, it's ready. Thank you. Alright. Ooh, this looks so good. She has banana split, the cherry. She has some blue raspberry slushy. Looks so good. And thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Smash the like button, and then I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.